Welcome to MCVAY Rock State Recreation Site in Southern Oregon. This secluded beach in Brookings, Oregon was the perfect place to spend a winter day. Just offshore, we could see seals playing in the water. This is not a sandy beach, rather the beach is made up of small rocks and gravel, so we highly recommend bringing sturdy shoes or thick sandals.
Yes. Are you happy? Are you happy?
It's really pretty. I think it's from a shell, but it could be quartz.
No, that looks like a shell.
Yeah.
Here, put your beach ring on.
It even fits pretty well.
Are you married to the ocean?
No, it's
I am Moana. The ocean chose you.
There are several large rocks to climb at this beautiful state recreation site. Our oldest son enjoyed challenging himself by climbing to the top of every rock he could reach. There's also a giant redwood stump that you can climb inside of.
This is just too easy.
It's huge.
We got like a 6 foot, 6¼ foot tall hole, and it's really. And my dad was having trouble getting out of this thing. I got out in like 5 seconds. Now we're good. So I'm smaller and lighter and easier to pull up.
Good job, buddy.
Thanks. It doesn't really require big muscles. I don't have any like.
We arrived at the beach near low tide, which left us plenty of time to explore the many tide pools at the water's edge. This is a dog-friendly beach, and up near the parking area there's also a disc golf course. It's also a popular beach for clamming and crabbing, but make sure to check what the seasonal regulations are on harvesting.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh yeah, it is alive.
Yeah, he's like, don't come close or I'll pinch you.
It's probably trying to nap.
Maybe.
Yeah, some type of marine life got eaten up. Yeah, you think so?
Got tentacles.
Yeah, it looks like something happened to the octopus.
Even though it was a sunny day, the Pacific Ocean in winter is freezing, so we didn't really want our kids getting soaked. We spent a good long time looking in this little creek bed that runs down into the ocean to find agates and jasper. Winter is one of the best times of year to go looking for agates and other semi-precious stones because the storms wash new stones down to the beach. So here's some of the really pretty things we found on this beach. I got some shells, some agate or jasper. I'm not a stone person, so my husband will tell me which one it is. And then I got some brown and green sea glass, and all of this is just from 10-15 minutes walk on MCVAY State Recreation Site Beach. Which also has that massive redwood stump over there.
Whoa! Yeah, some crab pinchers.
There was so much to do at this beach, and we lucked out because we pretty much had it to ourselves, so the kids could splash and run and have a great time exploring as we walked up and down the beach, looked for rocks and shells, watched the wildlife, and just enjoyed the beautiful weather. About a half a mile from where the parking lot leads down to the beach, there was this section of rocks and a giant redwood stump where our kids made a really cool discovery.
What do you say?
It's over there. Come on.
Should we go take a look? I'm gonna walk over here. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Look at this. Whoa. There's a cave you can walk in. You can walk right through it. Wow. Woohoo! Here he comes.
follow us as we walk right through this little cave that you can only see when the tide is low. So here I am at MCVAY State Recreation Site, and that is a ginormous redwood root system, bottom of the redwood here, and it has been brought ashore by just waves and tide action. And look, you can see the rock in front of it. There's the ocean over there. Then you got this rock, and this huge, like, what, 15, 20 foot across, easy, huge redwood stump has been brought ashore by wave action and left here. This is why, if you're at an Oregon beach, they warn you, stay away from driftwood that's in the water, because the water's moving it. It's very light in the water, but then it lands and it's ridiculously heavy. Here I am again in front of this massive root system. It's just huge. I mean, look at this. Here I am, I'm standing. All right, look at that. It's just, yeah. Redwoods are huge, guys. Like, that's me. After 2 or 3 hours on this beautiful beach, we are ready to head back to our Verbo and enjoy a nice lunch. But I mean, what a gorgeous day at the beach in Oregon in the winter.